Hey guys, welcome to the corner. Spanky here, and this is week 3 of the 52 weeks of tags for 2019 challenge in my group. So if you're just joining this, I have a Facebook group, and for this year 2019 I'm doing a group challenge, and it's 52 weeks of tags. So each week I will post a video with prompts and how I do my tag for the week. And this is week 3, and I have a list of prompts. There's 3 prompts. They must be on your tag. So we'll have a color prompt, there will be a word prompt, and a texture material prompt. So you need to make sure that those 3 items are on your tags. You can add other stuff to them if you'd like, but you need to make sure those 3 colors are on the tag as part of this challenge. At the end of the 52 weeks, you can go through and look at your tags and see how you've progressed, what styles changed, and different techniques you've learned throughout this year of 2019. I have enjoyed everybody's tags so far, and I'm excited to see everybody partaken that have partaken in this challenge already. So thank you all. It means a lot that you guys are taking time out of your busy crafty days and partaking in this, and I have enjoyed looking at them. So today's words are, for week number 3, our word is cute, and our texture material is paper towel, and our colors are yellow, blue, and red. And if you notice here, I have these paint sticks. I've never used them. I got them at Dollar Tree, I believe it was. It was either Dollar Tree or Dollar General. I'm not sure. But I'm going to give it a whirl and figured I would try them today for my color combo I need. I don't know how they work. Red, yellow, and blue. So, let's see here. I'm not even... oh, okay, I don't know how they work. Is there a lid that comes off? Oh, there we go. Oh, look at that. It's like a crayon almost. Okay. So we have yellow, red, and blue. Okay. I have pre-gessoed my tag. My tag is 3.5 inches by 7 inches. That's the preferred size I went with. You can do bigger. This is just the size I went with. Oh, those stink. I figured it was a good size. A lot of us are used to doing smaller tags. So I thought this would kind of be a challenge. I hope everybody's learning and expanding their minds, you know, and trying to figure out what to do. Getting out of their comfort zone, learning something different. So I'm sorry if it's out of your comfort zone. But that's part of the challenge. So I need to see how those things work. I'm not quite sure. I'm assuming it's just like a marker, but it does wash off. It's for posters, art projects, crafts, and more. There's nothing else really that says how to use them. So we're going to write on a piece of scrap paper here. Oh, wow. Oh. They're smooth. Very smooth. They don't blend that good. They might blend with a baby wipe. Let me see here. Oh. Oh, look at that. Okay, so we can work with this. So what I'm going to do is put this up here on my baby wipe there. I'm liking that. So I want to use this, but maybe we'll see. So I got my paper towel here, and it's just a used one, and I pulled it apart so I didn't have it all, the whole piece. So what I'm gonna do is, I think I'll glue that down, and I got stamps, Tim Holtz cling stamps. It's just the alphabet, so I'm going to use that to write my word. And I think that's it. Let me see here. So I'll glue this down. I think I'm going to give it texture though when I glue it down. So let me put this brush up and grab another brush I have, maybe. I thought I grabbed one out. Yes, right here. Okay, so I knew I grabbed one out. And we're going to Mod Podge that down there. Oh, actually I'm going to use my gel medium, I think, because I can write on top of the gel medium. I'm not sure how good I can use those on the paper towel with Mod Podge. So we're just going to use some gel medium. And I'm just going to run a coat on, and then we're going to slap that paper towel on. So let me heat set this really quick. There we go. And we're going to put a coat over it. And as soon as I get this layer done, I will go put this in the sink because I got to wash it off because I don't want it to dry on my brush. So, all right. So let me go put this in the sink and we'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. Let me dry this. There we go. I think it's pretty well dried. My edges are down, so we're going to trim off my edges really quick. Get it as close as I can. I don't want to cut my tag. It's got a really nice texture to it because this paper towel has some detail on it. Oh, almost got the tag there. I might have got the tag. There we go. And then I'll poke my hole. Alright, so throw that away. So let's see. I'm going to just okay. So now what I'm going to do is use my baby wipe and we're going to blend this. It might turn out ugly. I have a feeling it might go ugly, but not too bad. I kind of like it so far. A little more yellow here. Maybe a little bit down there. There we go. There. I like that so far. There we go. And I used to do pocket letters, and this is stuff from my pocket letters I took out finally. So I think I have stuff in here I'm sure I can use. So we will find something. Butterfly, okay. Quit playing in the bag. Put them in there. I think I've got enough crap out. So, I don't need to pull no more. I just need to do it. What did I do with that butterfly? Yeah. Alright. Now, I'm putting them up. Alright, let's get busy. I might not use all of it. I do want to use this one though because I really like that. So what I'm thinking of is trimming this off a little bit and adding that to it, but we'll see. I like this though. There's that, and then I have this one, and that. I could do this. I'm definitely gonna add that. I love this heart. I might not use that heart. Okay, that's okay if I don't use it. Maybe, okay, let's see what we can do here. Take that off a second. Oops, I don't need that. I need my Tombow. I think this is it. Yeah. I'm gonna glue this to, whoa, hello. Okay, you came out a little too fast. This stuff is sticky as hell. Oh, there we go. Yeah, I kind of like that. Alright, so maybe we'll do that. Oh, I can still add this like that. Yeah. Pixie. Okay, so we got that there. I'm trying not to think about it. When I start thinking about it, that's when I start to mess up and overthink. So we're just doing it. Pixie, no. Okay. So we're good there. I think I'm gonna have the word cute going down here. How big are them stamps? Yeah. Maybe. Oh no, we can go it across the top there. So. Oops. Alright. And I want, I'm not going to use those for that. Okay. All that trouble for that. Okay. Wipe my fingers off there. So I didn't use everything, but that's okay. That means have it for next time. Alright, so our prompts are cute, paper towel, yellow, blue, and red. So now I have to stamp my stamp. I'm sorry about that. These are Tim Holtz, and they've never been used. So they're all, I don't even know how to use them. Oh, here we go. So cute. Okay, let's, oh, I see. Okay. T. E. And I think I got an exclamation point. There we go. Yep. That will work. Alright, so let me lay these out how I want it. C. U. T. E. Let's see. It probably won't go down the way I'm having it either, so I'm okay with that. And that. So that's how it will go. So let's just put that down like that. Let's stamp that up. Okay. There we go. There is my word. Cute. Let's try and wipe all this excess off. Okay. Yep, definitely I need work with embellishing things or doing stuff on things, so this is definitely going to give me a boost of learning how to use different things in working with tags or anything actually, because as you could see, when I get to wanting to embellish stuff, I just get lost and I have no clue how to go, what to do. So this is going to work for me. Oh, and that's not sticking very good, so I might have to use some my tape here. There we go. And that one's not sticking very good. It could just be a little damp, or not strong enough for it, so which is okay. I'll just add to it. And there. Yeah, I like it. I'm happy with it, considering it took me long enough to find what I was looking for. So, and there we have it. Our 3 color combos. Paper towel and the word cute. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Sorry for the fruity of my mind there. Oh, hiccups. I wasn't sure where this tag was going, but I'm glad it went where it did. So now I have to write my info on the back. And so we are week number 3. And the word is cute. And let's see, we have paper towel. And the colors are yellow, blue, and red. And we are at week number 3. And I believe the 14th. Yes, January 14th, 2019. There we go. There's my info. I like how it turned out. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!